Good morning, guys. We in the new crib still. Not me. We got the Z warming up. Making sure I don't forget anything. Sheesh, man. So fortunately, we didn't bring the little piece that mounts up to the head mount. The little screw. I need the screw, so I don't have it. But peep this wonderful view, bro. Sheesh. I didn't know there's people. I didn't know there's a girl. We gotta go. I didn't know there's a person, bro. What the fuck? I try to go too fast, man. I ain't got no gas. I don't got no gas in it. Little update for y'all. I still didn't get gas. Goddamn. And our car's about to blow up. Nah, it's just the gauge. Because if you turn it off, hold on. My door handle don't work. But if you turn off the car, you're not supposed to really have fuel pressure, but it's still, oh wait, hold on. Sorry. But it still shows it, so that's how you know if your gauge is broken and your car's not gonna blow up. I gotta wash the car. You feel me? And then get some gas, and then I gotta get some stuff. Damn. So we did a little pull. I'm not even gonna lie, we did a little pull, and then lost traction. Not in a bad way though. It was like it was fun as fuck, but it spilled coffee everywhere. But you got to do a pull or two when you have your car. But since there's no since I haven't drove the car in a while, we put like heat wrap over one of the exhaust pipes, and every time I drive it, like after a while, it starts smoking. So it was like smoking the whole time. Like I actually got scared because it started smoking in here. Then I was like, oh shit, we're gonna die. But I think it finally stopped smoking. Like for some reason, every time, like if I don't drive it and then I drive it, it starts smoking. So yeah, I thought I was gonna die. No cap. So it was just smoking out the fucking the hood for a little bit. People were like pointing at it. They were, oh, sheesh, man. Some natural light on her. Z is looking clean. I do still gotta fix these, bro. Sheesh. Sometimes I'll be yapping in these and I'll be cutting it out, so I'm not even gonna yap this time. I'm just gonna show you out of the car. Sheesh, man. How did I forget the window? The hell? All right, the engine bay is ugly, so don't judge. So one, there's this little, like literally on top of the turbo that's gonna get really hot. But this is like a temporary fix because this, there's my AC line, which is this one, was rubbing up against my belt. So that is what was squeaking the other day. So I just did this literally, like I don't drive it, so I kind of just zip tied it for now. So like if we have to move it or anything, it's not gonna squeak. So I do got to fix this. This is not going to stay. There's also a zip tie here holding the vacuum line, which might not even work, but we got that too. This one was hooked up to the blow-off valve, but as you can see, it's kind of bent. You just got to bend it back. Before, it was bent to a point where it's hitting there, so it broke anyway, so that's why I kind of took it off. And I searched it up. You don't really need it. And it makes the blow-off valve sound way better anyway. What else do we got to do? We got to do a lot to this thing. But sooner or later, we're going to take off the whole front end, right? We're going to take off the front end. Oh, that squeak, when you would turn on the car cold, it was literally the tightness of the belt. So you just have to tighten your belt. I really thought it was a water pump. People said it was a water pump, so I was like, shit, I got to replace it. So that's one good thing. The AC doesn't work anymore. I think we might just have to recharge it. That's what everybody says whenever their AC doesn't work. So we're gonna try to recharge it, and then if not, we'll probably put a new compressor in there. Because down there is, I think it's down there. Yeah, it should be down there. There's like a clutch, and if you don't see it spinning, you either don't have enough refrigerant in it, or it's just broken. I don't know too much about it, but yeah. We do have an oil leak. I think it's this side of the valve covers, because it just installed it, so might have to replace that, the whole thing. I might try and like contact the people and tell them it doesn't work and see what happens. Or maybe I just put the gasket on wrong and the gasket just isn't sealed. So yeah, so we're just gonna take everything off. Oh, and there's also a bolt stripped in my fuel rail line I think it's this bolt right here or some shit. So we have to replace that, or we have to extract it, replace it. So that's why I haven't really been driving the Z. Today we're just gonna clean it and take it out one last time before I take it fully apart, because I have to do a lot, no cap. So here's my little grocery getter. You know what I mean? Sheesh. Oh, we have some boxes in the back too, man. This thing, you can load this thing up if you wanted to, bro. So fortunately, we didn't wash the Z, but we're gonna just hand wash it. I got some soap. Ooh. It's not that bad. It kind of got worse as I drove it, just some bugs. But honestly, if you get some rags, bro, I got some soap, I think, inside, which is like the washless soap. I kind of got close today, bro. Sheesh. Man. But bro, look at the oil. It's worse underneath. I don't even know if you can see it. But that shit does get pretty bad. It's pretty hot, too. I don't know if you can see the waves. Thumbnail. But yeah, I wanna the engine bay is ugly, bro. Look at this. The plenum, there's like a black plenum that I want to get just to change the color and just have like a more smooth plenum, because this one's like dirty. So maybe change the plenum. Maybe this one, I don't know what this is called, but the thing underneath the plenum. So you got the plenum, you take off the plenum, and then you can take this off. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe. There's way more things I'm gonna do to the Z. Got a little bit more time, and it's winter time, so we're gonna have way more free time to work on the Z. Hopefully we can do a lot to the Z. I'm very hype. Just gotta clean it right now. Thanks for watching, guys.